What's up, Raptors? In honor of College Week, we went and visited real-life college students at college campuses around the state of Utah.
What's up, Raptors? Mr. Millette here on the campus of BYU, where we're talking to college students about their experience.
What's up, Raptors? Hey, I'm here at UVU. Let's go talk to some students to talk about their college education.
Let's talk to them and hear what they have to say about their experience, how they're paying for it, and what they want you to know. Let's get started.
All right, this is Jefferson, and we found some students that we're going to ask some questions. So Jefferson, say hi to.
Dylan. I'm Jaden.
Nice to meet you, Dylan and Jaden.
What are you studying?
Aerospace engineering. And I'm finance and economics.
That's awesome.
Hi, I'm Cicely.
Hi, everybody. My name's Ethan.
Hi, I'm Brian Hansen. I'm from Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, and I'm a BYU student.
Did a few classes at Salt Lake Community College.
My name is Tally, and I am a student at UVU.
My name is Niva Tokataha, and I'm a student here at BYU.
I'm Shani Tuimalunga, and I'm a student here at BYU.
So basically it's like people who go work at national parks.
I'm Isabel Shell, I'm 25.
My name is Chris, and I am studying accounting.
Why did you decide to go to college?
One of the reasons that I chose UVU is just because of how open and welcome it is to diverse students, and anybody and everybody is welcome here. I love it.
So like if there is different multicultural students that are in middle school at your school, I feel like it's a great way.
I live in Utah, so it's cheap tuition.
I decided to go to UVU because I took concurrent enrollment classes in high school, and I just decided that was an easy way to transfer over to college.
I finished my general education here so that once I transferred to a university, I could just focus on my major.
I honestly couldn't picture myself at a different college. Like, whenever I think of going to college, I just think of coming to BYU.
I decided to go to college because I enjoyed school.
And so it's great how you can be in a good learning environment and become someone better.
My sister went here.
Oh,
so
nice.
I knew people, and it's close to, we're from the same spot, so it's close to home.
Very cool.
I love all the people here. There's such diversity at UVU, and there's always somebody you can talk to in the hallway or in your class.
You can just tell that people are really passionate about what they do, and that makes me want to be passionate about what I do.
In fact, I had a history teacher who dressed up every day for class. He dressed up in a specific time period, and it was fantastic.
I'd have to say just learning about how diverse our world is and the extent that knowledge goes.
I get to learn all sorts of new things that I didn't get to learn in high school that are way better than things I learned in high school.
I love college because it gives you the opportunity to learn things.
So how are you paying for college?
So in high school, I started working and I started investing that into my fund to pay for college, so I knew that's something I wanted to do.
Yeah, it was mostly starting a business, but also being smart with the money. I track all my expenses. Any single penny that goes out of my pocket, I write it down, and I have goals, monthly and yearly goals. And so starting those habits when I was 14 has paved the way for financial freedom in college.
I'm paying for college by working really hard. I have 2 part-time jobs, and I make sure that I balance my budget, and college is really important for me, so I wanted to make sure that I make it a priority and pay for it.
So when I was attending Salt Lake Community College, I paid by working part-time here. It helped a lot, and I also went part-time to school so I can kind of spread the payments out, make it less per semester. If you go to SLIC first, you'll have that benefit of a cheaper tuition at first. And at the University of Utah, it's a little bit more difficult. I did have to take out some student loans, but I think FAFSA does a great job at making sure that you're aware of how it works.
I paid for most of my college by myself. I was super lucky since I'm a little older going to college. I got a little bit of help at the beginning with a few grants, but most of my college I just worked and did it slowly.
Focus on good grades so you get good scholarships, so it's easier to pay for.
Actually, my tuition is paid through a scholarship that BYU provides. It's called SOAR. It's for multicultural students. I attended a program the summer going into my senior year of high school.
Scholarships became a big thing that I really needed to look for because that really helped me feel less financially stressed of like looking how to pay for it.
So I also have the scholarship as well, so that helps a lot, and also my parents help.
I'm paying for college. My parents are paying for my college actually, and they are rewarding me as I go on and I keep my good grades.
I am paying for college through the military, which means I'm not paying for college. So if you're interested in joining the military, do it. And you get to further your degree all the way up to a master's for free and no student debt. So why not?
Do you have any tips for anyone that wants to go here in the future?
To actually think about what you want to do with your life.
I'd say like get in the habit of like turning things in on time in high school, because it's like, I don't know, it's like so much harder to catch up in college. So get in like good habits before you get up.
But don't like stress yourself out so much because everyone is in the same boat trying to figure it out and you're not alone.
I'd say just not stress about life.
Yeah.
Like I think I took everything like really hard, and like I would just make everything so deep. I think I just need to have more fun, honestly, and like try to find a balance of, you know, being good at school, but also like having friends and like going out and spending time with your family. So just having fun.
I also really think that you should look into trade schools. If like higher education isn't necessarily something you're interested in, maybe look into going to cosmetology school or looking into working on mechanics if you're like interested in trucks and stuff.
It's never too early to start.
As long as you have some idea, you don't have to have it fully fleshed out, you don't have to have a full comprehensive plan. Just have an idea of what you want to do, because that idea will push you.
As middle school, like we're so afraid of high school, and I feel like just jump into high school like ready to learn and expect the unexpected and just go with the flow.
I feel like sometimes in high school you either are not pushed hard enough, or sometimes you want to be, you know, kept learning a little bit deeper about different things. And so I feel like college gives you that opportunity to learn more.
As someone who's spent time not going to college and just trying to work, and someone going to college now, I think going to college is the best thing that I could have done.
Take it all seriously, but still have fun, because fun is important and you can't learn without having fun.
What I'd say to you guys is enjoy it while it lasts, have fun, build friends, and focus on enjoying the people around you.
And that's a wrap, Raptors. Come see your counselor if you have questions about what college looks like for you or want to start your planning process. We'll see you.